in the waka, even when a lot of them carry guns. They don't even question why they carry gun when it's supposed to be peaceful protest. Okay, what you want to give us guarantee? Say security officers will go there around for election to hold. Say they don't go eventually buy their intention or probably buy them over to say make sure say this thing go this way.
Who be the buyer? Now una plan to buy.
No. Tell ourselves some beautiful truth here.
Which beautiful
this is the question. Nigerians want answers to it.
So your question is what? Please clarify your question.
The question is this. With the things we don't see where police and security officers don't do, based on the things we don't list out. Okay, fine. Okay, now then go there in charge, now then go provide security. They don't feel maneuver them, change them. Okay, this is make like the ruling party use and say.
No, you not use ruling. No, you not use ruling party.
One is not achieved.
You not use ruling party.
No.
You
know something. See,
we don't see them happen now.
Where you see happen?
We don't see them happen.
Hold on. Ruling party, it depends on which state you're talking about because ruling is different.
Thank you very much.
When they look the federal level.
Which federal level?
No.
Why you look federal level? What about the state level?
If you're going state by state, remember that the police officers are federal police.
Thank you.
And they're a mixture. So you see somebody in Ogun State who's from Zamfara.
Thank you.
You don't know what they happen there. His job is just to make sure law and order is kept.
Yes. Tell him.
INEC officers, their job is we get INEC officers, we get INEC this NYC corpers. We go make sure everything go correct according to rules and regulations. Me, I don't see how somebody with a used card reader, if you don't get accreditation, you don't go fit to vote.
Thank you.
You know that one. So at least that's a big change from the other ones. Second, even if you get the card reader, you go line up, you go for your secret ballot. Policeman no go enter there. In fact, their job is to just stay around the perimeter and make sure that security day can't pay.
Make we just believe that one.
This is where you talk, where you masquerade, say you want to ask questions. Now the plan where you get for mine.
The thing where I want to add to wetin my brother talk is say if they use card reader, your thumb you no fit, and they say oga you no fit vote.
Exactly.
You go congregate somewhere.
Exactly.
You go gather your people.
Exactly. When they talk say they disqualify me,
don't disqualify me.
My thumb no good. They say my thumb no good.
Very good point.
Now invitation to anarchy.
Thank you.
And this na the thing where we no want. You know, say if trouble start for one area, no election.
Like fire now.
Thank you.
We just catch every other place.
Start. They go. I know, say for this country, if we carry rumor. Now our second, we don't even they listen to news again. Now rumor.
We know the people when they spread the rumor.
Yesterday there was a rumor that Shehu Shagari
died. Yes,
very bad rumor. Carried everywhere. They don't even check them. Just begin publish them.
Yes.
Something when they don't check.
Thankfully, the man is out.
But you know the mistake where people they make, we say, "Oga President, you know, he allow freedom of expression. You know, as a transformer,
you don't get choice, so because we dey for constitution.
Yes.
We dey for under democracy.
Yes.
No, but we know some people.
I know.
Mr. President has tried because
but
I
just dey talk am. Say now because. In respect constitution.
Thank you. Thank you very much. In respect constitution.
And we as lawyers, we respect people who respect the constitution.
Thank you.
Well, as for that one, me, I know feel say.
You know, say.
But I know say in respect constitution. That's why we get all this freedom.
Yes.
Because now inside democracy, and for democracy, you go. But one thing we I want to press people, be say. Make you dey check una fact before you publish.
No could be. Now you now.
No, you.
I will not take
too many sensations dey for paper.
Too many sensations.
Too many sensations.
Thank you.
Now they eat the politics. Say now see fire dey for. I dey check. In fact, when I read paper, I dey go somewhere and say make I go see myself. Say the thing wey they report na true.
Exactly.
I go see say.
You just see one headline. Taiwo and Taiwo win 5 million. Naira.
And I dey my house.
Because in a 5 million dirham.
The thing wey happen is say
it's just too much.
The thing wey happen is say we know the people. You understand? When the people when we say they know they like greed, they know they like accept.
The
people we know them now.
The people.
I don't believe.
Thank you for not believing.
I be your advocate.
Thank you very much. See, we don't get over time. We don't get leadership where we say. For the past 15 years, we do under a particular political party where we say we never really see effective results.
And some more people when they political party don't cross. Some people when they political party cross.
Yes. Hold on. A very strong opposition will come and say yes. This one, you don't agree. But this one say we go make sure say this thing no go continue. People need change. That is why we don't get a very strong opposition party where we say we see compete strongly. But then,
the same opposition party.
Somehow, we know they still now.
From the party
we now they give us the breathing space.
Unkubi.
At the year.
Change no be events. Change na process.
Na English,
So when people say change, it seems like it's as if you go into a closet, wear something, then you don't change. You never change.
Let me now.
Waiting there inside at the same thing.
Let me now.
And that's why transformation is more important because
we support any party for NBA. All we want say make Nigerians do the right thing. All we want say the election make it peaceful. All we want say make people go vote. When you go your votes, if you value your head, this head now only one, no.
Yes.
Me, I don't want anybody make them break my head.
Now, of course,
anybody will say
them breaking head.
Anyone will say make everybody stay for.
Now, bad person.
Make the person bring his son.
Thank you.
Make
Who could be directed to you? Directed to you.
Let them bring everybody. Come stay for police booth.
Thank you.
Exactly. They wait. So if anything they happen, make them children they there.
Thank you.
Not be say another one person man they contest, another person man they die.
Yeah, I got a question.
That's my own.
I got my question. If you talk something, say a transformation system. Okay, say change self now transformation. Make look at this thing. Oga Presido, Oga Jonah don dey power for how many years now? For like almost 6 years.
Almost 6 years.
Okay, when you enter power, now that time we'll start to see this issue. Okay, fine. The issue of insurgency don't start long before now.
11 years ago.
Yes, but now under your own government, it can't be so heated to the point where you say things don't happen, things don't go bad. Okay, from the time we enter, from the time we do the express this thing till this particular moment, will be 6 weeks to election, where this extension, where you can't declare, say yes, so within these 6 weeks, so where would they extend this thing? We go take and tackle insecurity issue. Waiting make you know tackle them long before now. Waiting be that thing. Waiting be that thing where you know, that's where you get from mind. Where can't they give you results now? Because sometimes we go feel say monkey hand dey inside.
Ukubi, ask your question. Not they use force. Not they use force. They ask question.
Monkey hand dey inside.
Not they use force. They ask question.
To buy himself over to say yes in the work, but we will never see the result before now.
Unkubi, let me tell you. I think Mr. President don't answer this question before.
How?
If elections were set for February 14th. Since last year, we all know him. If not just to win election, if we do that thing since.
Thank you very much.
But the reason why, why it happens is because we've had problems acquiring new machine gun and everything for fighting.
Let me pause you on that. Acquiring new this thing. And what if na external aggression? And what if na another country they can't fight us? We can't wait till we get ammunition.
You know, say Nigeria, they frustrated Nigeria from getting weapons. You don't know that one?
I don't
know that one.
See,
you know now.
You talk of external aggression.
They were frustrated.
External aggression. Now people they call conventional warfare. Face me, I face for battleground. But this one is insurgency. You don't go command now. You go understand.
This insurgency way now they talk. Even for France, even for America, they did there.
Okay.
How many years?
How much of and they defeat container? They defeat take care of. But in our own case, it has gone beyond borders. We not say
America.
Not up to today.
Listen,
do you know how much it costs to fight war? Do you know how much America they spend every year for external wars?
Thank you very much.
It's running into $14-15 billion.
Thank you very much.
Where Nigeria will even get that money to do harm. So you see, let us be fair. Look, there are certain things that should have happened before, and I think even Oga don't talk and say there are 1 or 2 miscalculations. What we need to do as a country now is to rally together, support on ourselves, because it is our country.
Yes.
It is not Oga Jonathan's country, it's not Buhari's country, it's our country. And if it fails, we all fail.
Thank you.
So this election is our own chance. If you don't believe in what has happened, go, fine. But if you believe that something has started and we need to continue it, then please go ahead and do that. And that's my own view.
Yes. Thank you very much. Our people went there for us and see the discussion, the thing they hot. Me and Unkubi, they try to control our voice because we're 2 lawyers, they inside the same place. You get where una go talk loud, rich, they go talk say una the quarrel, they go send una bill, say make una meet them for court. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this our discussion. We go see through our phone lines, open make una chook mouth on top of this matter and make una hear the position of the MBA and waiting our lawyers there they talk say if you vote abeg go house to avoid stories wey can happen when it can be say if to say. When we go this way come back we'll continue our discussion as e dey hot. Now still the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the ogbonge topical politic discussion show as it dey hot. And today we carry two ogbonge visitors inside our studio. We get barrister Taiwo, Taiwo, and barrister Audu, Maikori. Two of them they chook mouth for inside the matter we discuss today, and we will continue our discussion. They go quickly, barrister Audu. From if they check your history, you go see say you don't dey involved in things about say make country good, make government better, especially for young people. From when you small. Now I want to ask one question. You know, it be the news say for 2010 when you lead some people for that enough is enough rally. Say they point you Shakabula, they point you AK-47, but you say no, say enough is enough. We they go forward. Now I'm going to check the condition of Nigerian youths. Make we check our political class. A lot of Nigerian youths, it be like say somehow they don't lose hope, they don't lose focus. If you tell them anything, they go tell you say, "Wait till you fit give me before they go fit do am." How you think say we go fit correct that that kind of mentality we not there our body now?
Thank you. I think that Nigerian youth, the problem is that sometimes we've built our hope on other people.
Would they look up to other people?
Other people, we know they look ourselves. You see, all the power where you need, they inside you. All you need is a word, inspiration. Somebody will give you guidance, and your whole life will change. You see, with technology, now we get people where they blog, people where they shoot camera, you know, people where they act, and they don't begin generate some small money. And now they build confidence, they build, you know, a sense of belonging. And which America use build their economy with that. All these small things, you know. But the problem we're having is leadership. And you see, if you look at Nigeria back in 1970-something, the president we did there, now 32, 33 years.
That's small boys.
25, 26, somebody don't finish commission.
Quickly, no, sorry, say with the possible. We get a caller. We got Kunle. Kunle, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Kunle.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle. I will greet our ogbonge visitors.
Barrister, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm very grateful. I even am enjoying this program.
Thank you very much.
There's one. I just have one thing to contribute to this topic, this program today. Okay. The issue of telling people to come out and stay at the polling unit is not advisable at all.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. Thank you.
Because you have your agent there, and staying there does not change anything. It only causes a problem. Exactly. And again, Mr. Nkubi, you are talking. I think maybe you never witnessed, you stay in Lagos, you never witnessed trouble, problem. If you come to North, you know what we are saying.
Exactly.
Even common local government election, you will see what we are saying. This fight you are seeing in Lagos, that will break your head, they will break your hand. This one is to kill, to die. It's not that maybe will hit you for head or you break your leg or this thing. This one, see and kill. Understand now? So just for security purpose, if you love Nigerians, don't tell them to go and stay at the polling unit. Okay. Understand? Because by staying at the polling unit, even with argument, it can lead to another thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Understand now? I live in Kaduna, and I even contested for local government election in Kaduna under ACA. Understand now? We can tell you some things, so understand now. So the issue is that this country is for us. This election now, everybody knows that go and vote for your person, the right person that you know that you are supporting. Understand now? Yeah. And if you are talking about maybe this transformation and this, understand now? Actually, you can see there's transformation, really. Understand? Except you want to lie. Understand now? This is not where we are before. Well, if you want to change something, you have to face some challenges. That's what Nigeria is facing now. Yeah. And if you don't face all these things, you can't get it right.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much.
That's from my state. I hear you, Oga, from Kaduna State. God bless you. God bless you.
And Oga Kunle been talk one very interesting thing. Kunle na Yoruba name. Maybe Adekunle or Olakunle. And it was saying contest to be local government chairman
in Kaduna.
If it be Abdul Kunle,
Abdul Kunle, no balance. No balance.
Okay, quickly, we get another caller. Ogobiora. Ogobiora call us from Yola, one of our regular callers. Good morning, Ogobiora.
Good morning,
we did fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ogobiora. I beg greet our lawyers.
They greet you now.
How are you? I greet you too.
Good day. I want to comment on the issue of this our deputy governor that become. You know, if you look inside the party called APC, you will see that it's built on a transparent. So you can fall anytime. Anybody that run out of APC now do well. But the main issue is that this issue of votes and states.
sometimes I will be thinking whether APC do think well for we pharmacists. Because assuming our polling units here, assuming we have about 5,000 voters, and those 5,000 voters, some is for PDP, some is for APC. And here, you'll be hearing, say Baba Buhari, say good luck. Before you know it, Puru Banka, they will begin to abuse themselves.
Exactly.
And before you know it, fight all start.
It does start.
So why should APC encourage people to find problems?
Exactly.
Because if they will encourage their voters to stay and think of this, our Adamawa, if everybody will stop pulling in it, I tell you, there will be no election that day. If it is a 50%, they cannot control the crowd. And now we are avoiding crowd because of this bomb of a thing. And they think still advising people. So, you know, I like you well, but sometimes it's before my hand.
Ogobiora, thank you for calling. May I quickly clear one thing? Ogobiora say APC they encourage, but then I only say political parties get reasons why they need to probably stay back. Say make us stay back.
But they get agents.
Great.
Now the question.
See,
what if the work of the agent? Why you go tell ordinary man make his stay there?
There are other political parties
agents say, see what I supposed to do.
An agent job be that.
Agent job be that. You go to tell the ordinary man.
That's their only job.
Quickly, Oga, Audu, you were saying something before we go for that quick break. Yes, you were saying something about the current leadership, the youth involvement, and the fact say the government don't fail us. So you were on that when I come cut you.
I don't talk so. I never talk say government don't fail us. I know the truth also is that even under which they happen now, this government don't try for youth empowerment programs. And I think that what we need to do is continue to expand that, and it will happen if there's continuity. In anything, one of the problems that government has generally is continuity. You see, once somebody enter, whether not governor or chairman, you want to change everything to show, say, you don't enter power. But I think that we should look at Nigeria as one whole and how we can make things continue to be better, and not because of party affiliation or because a new chairman or somebody, or else all these programs where they don't start, they fail. You know, all the great programs where we don't start, they go fail.
Oh, Barrister Taiwo, you know, say, you've been the talk before, say, the NBA as a body, not they endorse. No. It's like only una no endorse anybody, because plenty people don't even endorse. And una know they endorse, and una know they talk, say, okay, see the person when we they support. No. Now, we won't make you just tell our people when they hear us, because in our grassroots people they hear us. Make you tell them, say, okay, based on say NBA, Nigerian Bar Association, see what thing we want make una do, see how una go behave on this day, so that wahala no go there, because now una sabi law.
Yes, the thing be say, like I talk am, we know they endorse. NBA, inside NBA, you get Yoruba, you get Hausa, you get Igbo.
The full Nigerian
you get every Nigerian day inside. There is nowhere where
lawyer no day.
Yes. In fact, we get more than 100 branches of MB all over the country. Yes. So how we go support one party against another party? We no go support anybody.
Never.
The thing be say, as lawyers serve, we believe in democracy. Now, government of the people, by the people, for the people. Exactly. We are not to dictate to you who you should vote for. Yes. If you like, vote for somebody because you like him face. Now you sabi. If you like, vote for somebody because now your room, they live for the same room. Now you sabi. But make you go vote. And when you go vote, I beg, make you do it peacefully. Go there, cast your votes. There's no need for you to stay behind.
Because agents dey there.
Agent for the party dey there.
INEC dey there.
INEC dey there. Police dey there. Unless you don't trust the police. And if you say you don't trust the police, then we go carry you won't trust OPC or Arewa or Bakassi boys or Niger Delta people. So if we still repose some trust for our security agents. They are trying. If you see the way police they work, say you go pity them. Because if we live in house for 24 hours, go stand for road. I don't want people to make them tell me, say some people where they do them for some other reasons, so me I not talk more. But the thing we are say, make people just go. Let's do this thing. Make it day peaceful. Make everybody go in house. If we say make we congregate, na anarchy. That's not my own. That's the way we see them. Yes. Make people vote, get your free PVC. They say they go extend them for some states, I think.
No, they
Some
don't.
state, but blast
Now, 27
yesterday.
Everybody, we don't collect. Take your PVC, go the place where your name dey. Look am well. If na thumb print, you dey go, make you wash your thumb well.
Make it clean.
Make it clean. Make you no put eba.
Egusi,
Make you no put
things.
egusi. Make you no put afang. Because if you put afang for hand,
It go affect the result.
You no go read.
It no go work.
So you no go blame jega for that. Now you go chop eba.
Barrister Audu, quickly, as you know, young person, you understand, when we say you talk about young people, we're all like,
Yeah, the young person.
Hey, you know,
Not the Audu.
Now my younger brother.
just like Nigerian young people now, just let them know, say, okay, sharp, oh, on this day too, make una conduct ourselves well, because the country, now we get the future.
My fellow Nigerians and my youth, make una go register, select the person where you want to vote, go on that day to the polling center and go there peacefully. If there's a fight, now we go suffer them because not be old people they go vote most times, like even young people. Nigeria's population, they say we reach 170 million. At least 100 million are young people. So if there's any problem, now we go suffer. These old people, they don't chop their own.
Barrister, you don't talk and finish. Our people when they for us, we always they talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. We don't bring 2 lawyers come to start the countdown to the election when they come on top of March 28th, and they don't talk and finish. If you vote, go house, I beg. Party agent they there to do what they're supposed to do. Until we come back tomorrow with another ogbonge topic when they come out smoke. Now, I see the hot. Ezugu Chukudi, I go just talk the Bible on behalf of Pt.2, make you know
and
like
they also tell them,
time.
say, look, so just as they don't talk, if na vote finish, me na go na house, go the monitor within the happen, and na peace we go continue to the pledge.
We thank Una for coming on top of Acid the Hot. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Audu, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you. Welcome. So,
now bye-bye.
Our people.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.